All right. Um, Welcome back to this class. This is your JS1 scheme of work, Igbo language, Asụsụ Igbo, week 6, JS1 third term scheme of work, week 6. All right. But today we'll be looking at ekwumekwu banyere ihe dị iche iche. That is, banyere ihe dị iche ụmụaka na-eme. Ekwumekwu banyere ihe dị iche ụmụaka na-eme. Alright. Ekwumekwu in English, is just like dialogue. Ekwumekwu is dialogue or storytelling or discussion. But today I will read a comprehension. I will read a comprehension that show children's experience. We can call it excursion that they engaged on, that they took part on. So I will read it in Igbo. I will read everything in Igbo. Then I will explain what I have read in English. So please sit back and relax. In a few moments we'll get through with it. Ebe, I'm starting from EBE. That's where I'm starting, EBE. That place they wrote EBE. Ebe anyị jiri mere ụlọ akwụkwọ ugbu a abụghị ụlọ akwụkwọ anyị. Ka ọnwa nke 12 dị na mkpụrụ ụbọchị 3 n'afọ gara aga, anyị gara njem nleta ụlọ akwụkwọ anyị ka ọ kụrụ elekere 10 n'ụbọchị ahụ. A kụrụ mgbịrịgba nke mere ka ụmụ akwụkwọ niile zukọọ n'ebe ọgbakọ anyị. Onyeisi anyị bụ Oriakụ Okoli kwuru na ụmụ akwụkwọ na ndị nkuzi ga-eje ilefe ebe a na-arụ ụlọ akwụkwọ anyị ụbọchị ahụ. Anyị nwere nnukwu aṅụrị. Ozugbo anyị banye ụgbọala 2 ndị ụka bunyere anyị ka anyị na-aga, anyị gụrụ egwu na-aga. Nke a mere ka ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ pụta ile anyị ka anyị na-aga. Anyị hụrụ ọtụtụ ihe n'ụzọ. Anyị hụrụ akwa, which is bridge. Akwa means bridge. Anyị hụrụ ebe a na-azụlite ndị uwe ojii, where they train police people, na ndị soja and military men. Anyị hụchara ebe a na-amụ ka esi anya ụgbọelu na ụlọ mgbasa ozi. As they were going, they saw where they learn how to drive aeroplane and a media house. That is, they saw a media house as well. Ka anyị rutere ebe ụlọ akwụkwọ anyị, anyị rịdara n'ụgbọala. So when they got to the compound where their new school is being built, because where they are staying now is not their permanent school, so they were constructing a new school. So they were going to a visitation to see the new school that is being constructed for them. So when they got there, they got down from the vehicle and they boarded 2 buses that was given them by their church. All right, let's continue. Onye isi ndị ọrụ nabatara anyị nke ọma. That is the leader or the architect that is in charge of the construction welcomed them properly. Ọ dugharịrị anyị ma kọwara anyị ihe ụlọ ọbụla pụtara. So he took them around the house and explained every part of the house, every room, every section, and the purpose of those rooms and section, everything. Ọ gosiri anyị ụlọ obibi ụmụ akwụkwọ ndị nwoke na ndị nwanyị. He showed them where the boarding house, where the female student and the male student, where the female student will be staying separate and where the male student will be staying separate. Ọ gosiri ụlọ obibi nke ndị nkuzi. He as well showed where teachers will be residing. Then showed them where the head teacher or the principal will be staying as well. Anyị na ụlọ nri anyị. So he as well showed them where that is their dining table, where they will be eating their food, or top shop, where we'll call it top shop. Go further. Anyị hụkwara ebe ọgbakọ anyị na ebe a na-edobe akwụkwọ. He as well showed them their assembly hall or their devotion hall and their library. Alright. Ka ọ gosichara anyị ihe ndị a, anyị jere taa achịcha na mmanya anyị tinyere n'ụgbọala. So after he showed all those things to them, they get back to their bus and they relaxed and they ate a biscuit and the choppings that they came with. So as I told you before, this story is more of excursion situation whereby students went for an excursion. Okay, so we are starting from Anyị. After that place, you see full stop. Yes, we are starting from another place we call Anyị zụrụ. Anyị zụrụ. Anyị zụrụ. Anyị zụrụ obere. Anyị zụrụ, not zụrụ. Anyị zụrụ obere ike were laghachi ebe anyị na-agụ akwụkwọ ugbu a. So after eating those snacks, they rested a little bit, then went back to where their permanent place, where the school, where they received their education. Okay? N'eziokwu, njem a mere ka ndị mmadụ mata na ụlọ akwụkwọ anyị ebidola. Then they now say, truly, their journey made the people to know that they now have a new place where they'll be receiving their education. Now, this is the activity which, if you do, it will be of benefit to you. Because these things, this one, like this article now, or comprehension, this is more of comprehension that we just did now. You see something like this in your junior WAEC. For the first question you see is comprehension. agụọ aza. So in our subsequent videos, I will look at your past questions and do some answers there, do some presentation with your past questions. So do well to do these works, which is classwork or assignment or homework, anything you can call it, class activity. So number one, this one is kwupụta usoro atọ a ga-agbaso oge a na-ekwupụta njem niile anyị gara. What is this now? Njem niile anyị gara. Now list 3 procedures or steps to take whenever you want to explain your story or the journey that you have embarked upon. Number 2, kọwaa njem niile ị gara oge ezumike. Tell us the story or explain any of the journey that you have embarked on during holidays. Alright, so the story is all about excursion that some group of students experienced. They visited their permanent school construction building and they were so happy. Okay, let's look at this before we'll call it a day for today. Usoro kwesịrị ka a gbasoo n'ikwu ekwumekwu ma ọ bụ ide edemede gbasara njem anyị gara bụ. Now these are the procedure that you must take or that you must observe while writing a story based on the journey that you have embarked upon. If you can remember that question I asked, I want to review it to you here. Number 1, ndị gara njem ahụ. These are the things you have to get in mind. People that went for the journey. The list of people, have to know the people that went for the journey. Number 2, ụbọchị a gara njem ahụ. Number 2 is the day they went for that journey or excursion. Number 3, ebe esiri zọpụta njem. Ebe esiri zọpụ njem. The point in which they started their journey. Number 4, ebe a gara ya bụ njem, where they went to. Yes. Number 5, ihe anyị hụgasịrị n'ụzọ, what they saw on the way while embarking on the journey. Number 6, nnabata enyere anyị, their experience, whether they welcomed them or not, just the experience, the welcoming experience that they had. Number 6, etu esiri dugharịsịa anyị, how they were being guided, how they were being shown the places, who showed them the places, the rooms, every part of the new building, who showed them where this is the library, this is where female will be sleeping, their residence, this is the teacher's residence, this is the male residence, who showed them. Etu anyị siri mechie njem ahụ, how they concluded the journey. Uru na ọghọm dị na njem a, the benefit or the advantages and disadvantages of the journey that they embarked on. Then mmechi ekwumeku, that is the closure of the story. So thank you very much. This is where we'll call it a day. Our next class will start and continue.